Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. I welcome you all in our English session. In last session we studied about verbs. Now you all know verbs are action words. For example, writing, reading, drinking, playing, running, etc. Now today we are going to learn about helping verbs. Verbs are of two types, main verb, helping verb. Helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. Now read these sentences. The girl throws the ball. The girl is throwing the ball. Now in the first sentence, only one verb is used, and that is throws. Throws is a verb. In the first sentence, only one verb is used, throws. And in the second sentences, two verbs are used. For example, is and throwing. Now read these sentences. The boy is playing football. The boys are playing football. The monkey performs some tricks. The monkey will perform some tricks. Abhay taken his family for a drive. Abhay has taken his family for a drive. Now the verbs playing, perform, taken do not form meaningful sentences. When the words like are, will, has are added to the words playing, perform, taken respectively, they form meaningful sentences. Hence, these words are called helping verb or auxiliary verbs. Are, will, has, these are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs help the main verbs to form a sentence. Now see this example. Mr. John is sitting in his garden. In this example, is used as helping verb. Main verb is sitting and is used as helping verb. Birds are flying in the sky. Are is helping verb and flying is main verb. It means the definition of helping verb or auxiliary verb is a verb which helps the action word to make a meaningful sentence is called an auxiliary verb or a helping verb. Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are of two types, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. So primary auxiliaries are to be, to have and to do. Each auxiliary changes its form as per the tense. Now primary auxiliaries defined into three categories: to be, to have and to do. Now in to be, the verbs like am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. These verbs are used in to be categories, and have, has, had, having, these verbs are used in to have category, and do, does, doing, did, does, these verbs used in to do category. Now look at these sentences. The park has opened. Now in this example, has is helping verb and open is main verb. He is writing. Here is helping verb. Boys are playing. Are. The birds are flying high. Here are is used as a helping verb and main verb is flying. The forms of the to do verbs do, like do, does, doing, did and done function as main verbs or helping verbs, mostly in questions and negative sentences. When we frame a sentence, when we frame questions, we usually used do, does, doing, did, done, these words. There are some common helping verbs, and they, like is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being, been, has, have, had, do, does, did, can, could, will, would, may, might, ought to, shall, should. These are common helping verbs. Now modal verbs or modal auxiliaries. Modal verbs also function as helping verbs. Some modal auxiliary I have taken here: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. The modal auxiliaries cannot form a sentence by themselves. They cannot act as full verbs. They need an action verb to help them make a meaningful sentences. For example, he should write a letter. Here, should is a modal auxiliary verb. Can you help us? In this example, can is modal auxiliary verb. I shall wait for your return. Now in this example, shall is modal auxiliary verb. Now see this, he should write a letter. This sentence has a meaning. This sentence is meaningful. If I say he should a letter, there is no meaning in the sentence. So write is a main verb which is used for meaningful sentence, to form meaningful sentence. He should write a letter. We cannot say we should a letter. We have to say we should write a letter. Can you help us? You help us? No meaning. If we say can you help us, then the question is formed. I shall wait for your return. I wait for your return. No meaning. I shall wait for your return. So should, can, shall, these are modal auxiliary verbs. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.